Hello bachcho, let's read the question. So the question says radiation or and particles emerge from a radioactive sample. These products from the sample are allowed to pass through a narrow slit and may be considered a beam. The beam is passed between two plates that carry opposite electrical charge. The experimental region contains no magnetic fields. It is observed that the beam is deflected towards the negatively charged plate. Which one of the following statements is best conclusion for this situation? So we are given with four options, out of which only one can be true. So let us first revise the key concept behind this question. So key concept is behavior or characteristics of, we can write it here, characteristics of it. Characteristics of alpha, beta plus, beta minus and gamma particles. Okay. So what is alpha particle? Alpha particle is a positively charged particle which is positively charged helium nucleus. So it is helium nucleus with two positive charge, and beta positive particle has a positive charge. Beta negative particle is nothing but a electron, so it has a single negative charge, and gamma particle has no electric charge. So now let us check each option one by one. So option 1 says the beam is only alpha rays. So the beam is already alpha ray because the alpha particles are positively charged and the beam is being attracted to the negative side of the plate. But we have to further check each option. So let us check whether it is beta positive particle. So beta positive particle is also a positively charged particle, hence it will also attract towards the negatively charged plate. Now let us check the beta negative particle. So beta negative particle is nothing but electron, so it will be deflected away from the negative side of the charge. So it cannot be a beta negative particle. And let's check gamma particle. So gamma particle has no charge, hence it will not be deflected due to electrical field. So it cannot be also gamma particle. So let us check which option contains these two, alpha and beta positive particle. So option A says the beam is only alpha ray. It is wrong. Option B says the beam could be either alpha rays or beta rays. Let's check further. B option is correct. The beam is only beta negative ray. No, beta negative ray is wrong. And the beam could be alpha ray, beta positive ray or gamma ray. No, gamma rays cannot be deflected by electrical field, hence D option is also wrong. So option B is correct option to this question. I hope you understood it well. Thank you.